Hey, welcome back. Great to see you. Today we have a great cocktail for you. We're actually doing two cocktails, doing a White Russian and a Black Russian. I love a great White Russian. How about you, Mike?
It's one of my favorite cocktails. I mean, The Big Lebowski, The Dude.
Great movie.
Can't beat it.
Love Jeff Bridges.
Yeah.
How about a Black Russian?
You know, I don't think I've ever had one.
It's an older drink. It came first. Let's do them both today. Let's do a taste comparison, see which one you prefer. Let's do the Black Russian first.
Okay.
So a Black Russian is made in a mixing glass. We're going to start with the vodka. We're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. Next ingredient, which is the only other ingredient, we're going to use Kahlua or any other coffee liqueur you have at the house. We're going to do 1 ounce. Simple enough. Now we're going to add ice. With your bar spoon, give it a stir. So you can see some frost in the glass.
That looks good, man. It
Looks
cold.
great. Looks cold. Into a Ross glass or an old-fashioned glass, we're going to add ice. And we're going to strain with your Hawthorne strainer. Well, there you have the Black Russian. Let's wait a minute to put it to the side, and let's also do a White Russian.
That Black Russian was a surprisingly easy cocktail to make.
Very easy, 2 ingredients.
Yeah.
This is also very easy. Adds 1 more ingredient, and that's cream. But this is a little different. It's built in the glass. So we're going to add the ice to start. We're also going to use 2 ounces of vodka.
I mean, you don't taste it when you're drinking these, but this is a strong drink, Chris.
It is 2 ounces of vodka and 1 ounce of the coffee liqueur, which is still alcohol. It's a very low alcohol content, but still alcohol. You are correct. 1 ounce. Now with your bar spoon, give it a quick stir in glass. Now for the final step, we're going to add your creamer, half and half. We're going to float it. So take your bar spoon, turn it upside down, and we're going to gently pour the creamer on top of the bar spoon so it floats.
Well, it doesn't have to float.
It doesn't have to float. It doesn't have to float.
Either way.
It's for
Either way.
presentation. I mean, it's what they call it for. That's your White Russian.
Yeah, I mean, the dude never floated it.
No, never. He just pours it and drinks
Right.
it. Multiple.
Well, they
times.
look great, Chris. Let me give it a try.
Try the Black Russian first, since it was
Okay.
made first.
This is the original.
The original cocktail, the Black Russian. Give it a shot. See what you think. Cheers.
Cheers. It's really good.
The original, not bad.
Yeah, I mean, it tastes like coffee and vodka.
Okay.
I mean, it's a good drink.
Simple.
It's sweet.
Simple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Simple.
Let's try the dude's drink. Let's try the White Russian.
Yeah, that looks great.
Oh yeah, my
Give
favorite.
that a try.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, what do you think?
Yep.
Dude abides?
Dude abides, man. Well, that's a great drink. I mean, it's the same, but you're adding cream. I mean, it's coffee and cream.
It's a great early morning cocktail.
Yeah, I guess if that's what you're doing, if it's going to be that kind of day, that's a good one to go for.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad you like it. For you at home, try them both. Do the taste comparison, see which one you prefer. If you like these cocktails, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks a lot. Good to see you. Bye.